Think about the amount of time you spend every day doing small tasks, writing messages, searching for information, creating designs, or fixing mistakes in your writing. Now imagine if a few free AI tools could help you finish those tasks much faster and with less effort. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that can boost your productivity and make your daily work easier.
Artificial intelligence is quickly becoming part of everyday life. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or someone working online, AI tools can help you complete tasks faster and more efficiently. But with so many tools available, it can be difficult to know which ones are actually useful. So in this video, I've selected 3 simple but powerful tools that almost anyone can start using today.
Let's start with the first and one of the most powerful AI tools available today, ChatGPT. This tool works like a smart assistant that can answer your questions, explain complex topics, generate ideas, and even help you complete tasks faster. If you're a student and you're struggling to understand a topic, you don't have to search through multiple websites anymore. You can simply ask ChatGPT to explain it to in simple words.
ChatGPT is also extremely useful for content creators. If you're running a YouTube channel or social media page, coming up with ideas regularly can be difficult. But ChatGPT can generate ideas instantly. You can also use ChatGPT to write content, summarize information, or even generate notes. This can save a lot of time, especially when you're working on assignments or projects. The best part about ChatGPT is that it simplifies complex tasks and gives you quick, useful results. Instead of spending hours searching and writing, you can get what you need in seconds. That's why ChatGPT is one of the most powerful tools you can start using today. Now let's move on to the second tool.
Let's move to the second tool that helps you turn those ideas into visuals. The second tool is Canva. Designing used to require complex software and experience, but Canva makes it simple for anyone to create professional designs within minutes. If you're a content creator, thumbnails are very important for getting more clicks on your videos. With Canva, you can create eye-catching thumbnails easily.
You just need to select a template, change the text, and customize it according to your video. Students can also use Canva to create presentations quickly. Instead of designing slides from scratch, you can use ready-made templates. Canva is also useful for creating Instagram posts, posters, and other social media content. Overall, Canva makes designing simple, fast, and accessible for everyone. Now let's move to the third tool that improves your writing. The third tool is especially useful if you write anything online. The third AI tool is Grammarly. Whether you're writing emails, assignments, or posts, good writing is very important. Grammarly helps you improve your writing instantly. For example, if you write a sentence with mistakes, Grammarly will automatically correct it. This ensures that your writing is clear, professional, and easy to understand. This is especially useful for students and anyone communicating online. One useful strategy is to combine these tools together. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, Canva to create designs, and Grammarly to refine your writing. This simple workflow can help you work faster and produce better results. These were 3 powerful free AI tools that can significantly improve productivity. If you haven't tried them yet, give them a try and see how they can simplify your work. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more AI tools and technology content.